Hello, coolers, and welcome back to another huge construction update from Spotify Camp Nou. Today, we are taking a full tour around the stadium to see the latest progress on the compression ring, decorative facade structures, VIP interiors, and several new developments happening all around the project. Little by little, the stadium is starting to look more complete every single week, and there are now visible changes across multiple areas of the site. Let's get straight into today's update. One of the biggest changes on the lateral side can already be seen at the diamond structure, where concrete has now been poured, marking another major construction milestone. In just a few days, this section has been completely transformed, highlighting the remarkable pace of work. With the concrete now in place, crews have begun the curing process by covering the structure and continuously applying water to help it gain the necessary strength before the next phase begins. The lower formwork panels are expected to remain in place for a few more days before being removed. Beyond the diamond, concrete work has also been completed along the adjacent wall, while workers have started dismantling sections of the temporary formwork. From this viewpoint, the rapid progress is impossible to miss, with the lateral side taking another significant step toward completion. Before leaving the lateral side, another noticeable update can be seen on the decorative facade. Two adjacent facade sections have now been connected, giving the exterior a more complete appearance, although a small gap remains where one panel is still missing. The neighboring section is still under construction, with equipment remaining in place as installation continues. Even so, this latest connection marks another visible step forward in the stadium's exterior transformation. The compression ring continues advancing steadily toward the tribuna section, with progress moving almost symmetrically from both Gol Nord and Gol Sud. Since reaching the midpoint of the stadium, 5 additional support pillars have been installed, with the latest already connected to its radial beam. As construction follows the curve of the stadium, crews have shifted from installing the larger steel box segments to the smaller ones required for this section. One of the latest segments has now been positioned, bringing the compression ring another step closer to completion, while the ring itself now appears remarkably close to closing the remaining gap. Work across the third tier continues to move forward at a steady pace, with crews preparing the area for the next phase of construction. New lighting equipment has arrived on site, while structural work and ongoing installations across the upper levels highlight the continuous progress being made in this key section of the stadium. Another noticeable update can now be seen around the VIP ring, where new structural profiles have begun appearing along the exterior. These newly installed elements mark the start of another important finishing phase and will support the premium exterior design of this exclusive area. With more structural details now taking shape, the VIP ring continues to move closer to its final appearance, highlighting the steady progress being made across one of the most prestigious sections of Spotify Camp Nou. Construction around the Gol Sud mobility core continues to move forward at an impressive pace. With the interior scaffolding now being removed, the area is clearly entering its next phase, paving the way for the installation of additional sandwich panels across the exterior. Another major highlight is the rapid expansion of the facade support system. More brackets and mounting structures for the ceramic panels have now been installed, extending further toward the tribuna side. Large numbers of components remain stored nearby, showing that facade installation is set to accelerate as work continues across this section of the stadium. Further along the Gol Sud section, crews have applied a new protective white coating to several steel beams, a clear sign that another stage of structural finishing is now underway. Additional work is also taking place at higher levels, where elevated platforms remain active across the structure. Nearby, 2 large rolled components are still waiting to be installed in their designated corner position. At the same time, preparations continue for the future cable routing system, with more progress visible across the upper structural framework as work advances steadily. The diamond structure has made another noticeable leap forward over the past few days. Its glass panels are now fully in place, while the surrounding block walls have reached their full height, giving the structure a much more complete appearance. Work also continues on the reinforced corner sections, with formwork being installed in preparation for the next construction phase. Even with limited activity during this visit, the remarkable progress made in recent days highlights how quickly this iconic feature of Spotify Camp Nou is taking shape. Another major milestone has now been reached at the Gol Sud corner, where the first ceramic facade panels have finally been installed near the tribuna section. Several panels are already in place, marking the beginning of facade installation in this area and extending the stadium's distinctive exterior even further. Nearby, additional facade panels remain stacked and ready for installation, indicating that work will continue at a rapid pace. At the same time, crews are applying protective coatings to the structural beams of the mobility core, while preparations for the remaining utility systems and facade elements continue across this increasingly active section of the stadium. Once finished, fans will experience a far more organized, accessible, and visually impressive area before even entering the stadium. Every new layer of pavement and every completed public section brings the project one step closer to completion. The progress happening at Camp Nou right now is truly incredible. And week by week, the dream of seeing Barcelona return to a fully rebuilt world-class stadium is becoming reality. From the massive roof construction to the futuristic facade panels and the growing surface developments around the stadium, every part of the project is moving forward step by step. Every week, new progress can be seen across the massive construction site, and fans around the world are amazed by how quickly the stadium is taking shape. The new structure is designed to be more modern, more comfortable, and much bigger than before, creating an unforgettable experience for supporters. To finish today's update, the massive support frame moved earlier by the TC3 crane is now finally being positioned by the TC2 crane near the future pillar section. Little by little, the compression ring keeps moving forward and the stadium is slowly becoming a reality. There is still a long way to go with the facade, interiors, and the rest of the Espai Barça project. But the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is becoming more impressive every single week. That's all for today's construction update from Spotify Camp Nou. If you enjoyed this update and want more videos covering construction progress, future developments, and everything happening around the stadium, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss another update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.